The footage quality of the DroneX Pro is so much bad I can't believe I had to pay for that piece of junk €99. Furthermore, the DroneX Pro flies very unstable no matter what I set, which the direction correction buttons. It is very difficult and dangerous to fly because you never know what it'll do next. Sometimes it just falls from the sky. But most of the time, you just can't control the flight. I have done all my best to fly the DroneX Pro as stable as possible. I really can't recommend to buy a DroneX Pro.